Former President Pranab Mukherjee has made a shocking claim about former Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pranab Mukherjee has claimed that Nehru rejected the proposal to merge Nepal into India. Former President Pranab Mukherjee has claimed in his much talked about autobiography, The Presidential Years, that former Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru turned down King Tribhuvan Bir Bikram Shah's proposal to merge Nepal into India. He also said that if Indira was PM, she wouldn't have let the opportunity go. Pranab Mukherjee wrote that Raja Tribhuvan Bir Bikram Shah had proposed to Nehru that he should merge Nepal into India and that it should be made into a province, but then Prime Minister rejected the proposal. Pranab Mukherjee wrote in his last book that PM Modi should also listen to the voice of disagreement and speak often in the parliament. 4 police personnel posted with the special cell received out-of-turn promotion for their work in North East Delhi riots case. The 4 police personnel were a part of an investigating team that arrested 21 people, including former JNU student Umar Khalid, Jamia Coordination Committee's media coordinator Safura Zargar, and Pinjra Tod's Devangana Kalita and Natasha Narwal. Delhi police had registered a total of 755 cases in the riots that went on in February last year, of which 50 murder cases were transferred to the crime branch. 1 case was transferred to the special cell. Residents in parts of Delhi woke up to the sound of hailstones hitting rooftops and windows, even as sporadic rain continued in the national capital for the 4th consecutive day on Wednesday. The India Meteorological Department said that parts of South Delhi reported hailstorm at around 7:30 am. More rain and hailstorms are predicted during the day, it said. Residents in neighbouring Gurgaon shared video clips of hailstorm there. On Tuesday, the Safdarjung Observatory, which provides representative data for Delhi, recorded 1.3 mm rainfall till 5:30 pm. The weather station at Palam, Lodhi Road and Ridge recorded 5.3 mm, 0.4 mm and 4.8 mm rainfall respectively during the same period. The United States broke its own record for the number of daily deaths from COVID-19 yet again on Tuesday, recording 3,936 fatalities in 24 hours, according to a tally kept by Johns Hopkins University. The worst hit country in the world by the pandemic also recorded more than 250,000 new cases in the period up until 8:30 pm on Tuesday. This is what the Baltimore-based university's records also showed. That brings the US to more than 20 million cases and 357,000 deaths in total since the start of the pandemic. Meanwhile, head of the World Health Organization said on Tuesday that he was very disappointed that China has still not authorized the entry of a team of international experts to examine the origins of coronavirus. The lockdown has been extended with tightening restrictions in Germany amid growing cases of coronavirus. Chancellor Angela Merkel said on Tuesday that the nationwide lockdown is being extended up until January 31st to rein in the rising cases. The decision has been taken following a suggestion of the state governors. At the same time, the 63rd annual Grammy Awards to be held in Los Angeles on January 31st have also been postponed amid the new wave of COVID-19 in the US. It can now be held on 14th of March. More than 1 lakh new cases are being reported in the US every day. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our super supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.